How to get more storage on Dropbox. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for dropbox.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, go on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on this click to upgrade option. After that, you will be given 4 plans for you to choose. In here, the first plan that you can choose is the Plus plan. This one will cost you $9.99 and then it will give you 2 terabyte of extra storage. The next one is Essentials. This one will give you 3 terabyte of extra storage for only $16.58. And then the next one would be Business. This one will cost you $15. And then 3 other users can use your Dropbox account and it will give you 9 terabyte of extra storage. And then the last one is the Business Plus. This one will cost you for $24 and then it will give you 15 terabyte of extra storage. In here, if you are not ready to use or upgrade to any of this plan, you can try any of this plan for free. Simply tap on this try for free option. And then in here, before you can completely try it for free, you will have to input your card details here. First, your card number, expiration date, security code, country, and then postal code. After that, you'll have to put a check mark on this one, and then what you need to do is to simply proceed the process, and then after that, you will be able to use the plan for 30 days for free. Keep in mind that after 30 days, once the free trial is done, you will have to pay for you to completely use the plan. So those are the options for you to get more storage on Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.